Are you struggling to reduce print order management time and cost? Are you looking to increase retail and large B2B accounts? Is your existing web to print not flexible to customize? If yes, then, to solve your challenges you need an IT partner who understands your unique print business and challenges to increase sales and reduce cost. Thankfully, OnPrintShop is more than a web-to-print solution, helping you to grow from local print shop to global printer. OnPrintShop offering specially designed solutions for print shops, commercial printers, marketing companies and trade printers. Offers varied modules to expand into multiple print segments like stationery and marketing, photo books, wide format, apparels, calendars, customer-specific storefronts and pricing to your retail, corporate and resellers. Customer can estimate and order 24/7. OnPrintShop offers product-specific designing experience and upload print-ready files. Manage both online and offline orders using one-click ordering. Auto-generates invoices, job ticket, shipping labels and push orders into production. Control over your day-to-day operations using dashboard and reports. OnPrintShop works as your IT partner to quickly adapt to changing needs and generating ROI. OnPrintShop comes with SaaS and custom license, third-party integrations, personalized support and quick store setup services. Tailor-made web to print for your print business. Visit onprintshop.com. Thank you.